Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is August 10th, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. What I'd like to show you right now is a chart of Starbucks, and I've been getting a lot of emails saying, Nick, is there a level where I could get into Starbucks? And what you're going to see here is that stock had that sharp sell-off in July, right on July 24th. It rallied up back to double top, and then it fell back down again with the typical, what I call inside bar pattern. Now the stock has downside momentum. Even a day like today, where the Dow Jones is up 219 points, Starbucks this afternoon is trading decently lower. The stock is down over $1 today on the session. Now, that's not a huge percentage decline, but it just shows that the stock has no relative strength, trading down by nearly 2%. So what I do now is I look at the stock and I say, well, where could this equity give us a bounce? And very, very easily, first level you look at is the 50-day moving average. And when you see the 50-day moving average right here, you say, well, there'll be some support there. There's also a little bit of a gap. Plus, if you go a little bit lower, you're going to see that this is where the stock based before its last breakout, and that's a level I always like to look at. So if we do see the stock come down to around the $54.10 level, $54.15, right in this vicinity, this is where I would get interested in the equity. So anywhere from 54 to 54.15, that's where I would get interested for the stock to get a bounce. Now, one thing you want to remember is you want to watch this bounce and see how it plays out. Does it give you a nice big bounce sharply higher? And the most I could see the stock really rebounding would be back up towards this 20-day moving average, potentially even around the $58 level. But there's still going to be a lot of selling pressure there because remember, you had this sell-off here, and then you had this sell-off here. That means there are buyers at two different places. So when the stock gets up into that area, that's where traders will again come back in and sell the equity because they've been in a lot of pain. The buyers that were here, the buyers that were here, so they'll ultimately turn into sellers just to get out with a break-even place. All right, so again, we're going to look at Starbucks right around the $54 level. That would be just a short-term bounce play, but I think that is an area where the institutional investors will come in and support the equity. So again, we'll keep that on watch. Again, if you want to come over, take a 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll see all of our nightly trades. You'll get all of our cycle work. You'll get all of my trade setups. You'll see everything that I'm doing there each and every day. So with that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.